Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Petit Vour unboxing. Yes, I'm probably butchering that name. I googled how to pronounce it. I still can't say it right. I'm sorry. So this is another video that I've already filmed and lost the footage for. I explained that in a video a couple days ago, maybe yesterday. I'm not sure. Filming all of them on the same video, so I'm not sure which one's going to go up first. But if you don't know what I'm talking about, I already filmed this video and my full face of CoverGirl video and my favorites video already, and yeah, I lost the footage, so now I am redoing all of those, which is why it's been a hot minute since I've posted a video. I am really sorry, but let's just go ahead and talk about this. I was gonna kind of just skip this video because I know it's February now and this box came out in January. I did get it super late. I think I got it on like the 28th of the month, 27th of the month. So I did get it super late. I don't know if that's normal for this brand. This is only my second box and the first one I did get for Christmas. So hopefully going forward it's not that late. But when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It says the creme de la cruelty free, and then it does have the card, which I do appreciate. I love it when brands include a card with information. This subscription box retails for $18 a month. You get 4 to 5 sample deluxe size, full size products based on my previous experience, which would be last month and this month. It seems that we get 1 full size and then some sample size and then like 1 deluxe size, but this box I did get 2 full size, I believe. So let's just go ahead and talk about that. The first thing I'm going to mention is something I've already used. I'm sorry. Again, I didn't think I was going to lose this footage, and I actually used one of these already. These are 2 towelettes. This is Box Naturals. This is a lavender scented one. I'm not super excited to use this because if you guys know anything about my videos, you know that I'm not super into like floral, rose, lavender kind of scents. So I'm not super excited about that. This one that I've already used, as you can tell, was cucumber and witch hazel. I don't dislike this. It is very refreshing. It does have cucumber in it, so that makes sense. It does not remove your makeup. I kind of thought these were makeup removers the first time I looked at these. They're not. They are literally just towelettes, like moist towelettes that you would use to wipe your hands after you eat or clean up a mess off of a child or something like that. Those are great descriptions. I don't know what that's a hole. Cute. Anyway, so they're all right. They're not something that I would suspect from a makeup box, but yeah, they retail for $1.50 each. They say individually wrapped, pH balanced, and 100% biodegradable. Love that. These wipes are great to remove makeup and refresh on the go. That's a lie. They do not remove makeup. At least this one did not. I did not get any of my makeup off with this. I think, lie actually, I did get my lipstick off with this, but it was just a lipstick. It wasn't a liquid lip or anything, but this wouldn't even take makeup off my hand. So I don't know if the lavender one will be any better, but that one was not. Anyway, moving on to the next product. This is something that I was kind of like about as well. This is the underarm bar. It's by Kala Naturals, Kala, I'm not sure. It's natural, vegan, cruelty free. It says transforms any natural deodorant into extra strength protection. Let's read about this because I don't know much about it. Retails for $22, which I feel like is super pricey for like a deodorant bar, which is what I'm assuming it is. It says it transforms any natural deodorant into extra strength protection. This bar creates a protective barrier against odor-causing bacteria. So no, this is not a deodorant. This is something extra that you add to your deodorant. So I'm assuming you put this on first and then put your deodorant on over top of that. $22 for something that I have to pair with something else is a little pricey. It does have charcoal activated, or it does have charcoal in it. And it is kind of cute. Like this would be cute to like hang in your shower or something. I don't know if you can put this in your shower. I don't know if it's waterproof, but I'm not super excited about it. I'm not somebody who has like an issue with strong underarm odor. That's something awkward to talk about, but if you're somebody who suffers from that, like clinical issues where you're not, that's cute. I have a flake of dandruff. That's my issues right now, is dandruff, because the shampoo that I'm currently using is making my scalp itch really bad, so I need to stop using it, but I just really want to finish it. But yeah, so if you're somebody who suffers from that issue, then maybe that would be a great product for you. Maybe you'll love it. I'm not somebody that needs it, but I'll try it, I guess. And this next thing right here is La Prunière Palm Beauty Oil. I have no idea if I'm saying that correctly. It's 1916 on it, so I'm assuming that's when it was made. The Power of Plum. It's organic, sustainable, vegan, cruelty-free, and all natural. All amazing things. This retails for $20. I don't believe this is a full size. It says 8 times more powerful than argan oil. This pure plum seed oil balances, restores, and refreshes skin and hair, protecting it from free radicals and UV damage. Okay. I should really read these cards because the first time I did this video, I thought it was just like a perfume oil. So maybe it's a good thing this video got scrapped. Yeah, so I put it on like a perfume oil in the last video, but I guess this is for your hair or your skin, and it restores and refreshes skin and hair. Let's just put some in my hair real quick. It does have like a dropper deal to it. Very medical looking. Let's just like, ooh. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it or not. Ugh, I don't like the smell of it still, which sucks because I just put it in my hair, but oh, okay. I feel like that definitely smooths my hair. This could be something really good. Okay, now that I know it's for my hair and not my face or my body, which I guess you could still use it on your body. When you smell it in the bottle, it smells a lot better than when I put it on my skin. I don't know if that's just like my pH balance not mixing well with it or what, but I don't love it. This next thing I don't have the box for. I'm really sorry. I already threw it away, and I have already used this, but this is the Pacifica Stella Gaze Length and Strengthen Mineral Mascara. This is super cute packaging. The box looks very similar to this. It was just inverted, so the top was blue and the bottom was gold. This retails for $14. It says, like skincare for lashes, this mineral mascara fortifies and strengthens your natural lashes while adding out of this world volume. I wouldn't go that far. I do like this mascara. It's just not my favorite in the world. Taking it out is a natural hair bristle, which are usually my favorite. My favorite mascara is a Too Faced Better Than Sex or the It Cosmetics Super Hair Mascara. I love both of those. I'm wearing the It Cosmetics one right now. This wand is very big. It's like bigger than my eyeball, which is the reason why I don't love it. It is very hard to get close to the root of the lash, so it does kind of get everywhere. It's very good for like the tips of the lash. I kind of just like to layer it there, like so. But as far as getting close to the lash line, you're not gonna do this with this mascara. It's very hard to get to the root. But if it had a smaller brush, I would really like this mascara. I do really like the formula. But yeah, that's the whole box, guys. Is it worth $18 a month? So far, not thinking so. I am honestly not sure how long I have this subscription for. And my mother did buy it for me for Christmas, as I said previously, so I'm not sure how long I have this subscription for, but I'm going to keep trying it for a little bit longer, and then I might tell her that she should cancel it if it's not great. But I love the concept of a cruelty-free subscription service, so hopefully it's just been like a rough month, and next month will be great. I do have a product from last month's box that I have been loving so much. The I'm not sure how you say it, cosmetics concealer that I got, which if you didn't know I got that, check out my what I got for Christmas video, and it's in there. I adore that concealer, and it's really good. So there are some hidden gems in here. I'm just running out of places to put things, but I don't love it. So take that for what you will, and yeah, that's everything I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video before you go, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future unboxings. Bye guys.